Hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. Man, today was a long trading day. I mean, it was the same amount of hours, but it just felt like a long day. So part why is that? Because I've talked to a number of traders and they felt the same thing. And what's been happening here is, especially from about the beginning of March, is we've been trending down hard. We do a bounce to the 5 EMA, we make new lows, bounce to the 5 EMA, make new lows, bounce to the 5 EMA, kind of make new lows. But you'll notice what's happened since basically the 12th, Thursday of last week, is we're trying to form a temporary bottom here. The key word there, of course, is temporary. I don't think we're done yet. But no market goes straight up or straight down. Even in 2008, you'd have these rip-roaring rallies that could sometimes take you all the way back to the 21 EMA and then go to new lows. So for the first time ever here, we're very cautious on the short side. And if we do, for some reason, take this out, I would actually expect a pretty strong pop. Okay. Now, today, so how do we trade this? Well, first of all, on the long side, okay, the long side of the index is hard. I lost money today trading the indexes. However, I did make money trading, well, if I could enter in my symbol right, Zoom. Okay, Zoom was awesome. The only thing I would say I did wrong here, I don't know if I'd say it wrong, is when we got up here, we sold half and kept the other half, and then it kind of puked into the close. The other stock we had was Amazon. I'll show you these real quick. And our target on this was this level here, 1933, and the stock was up like $100, which was insane. And we did get up to that. And then there was a trade also in Netflix. So if we look at this, here was, oh god, if I can move this, I think you guys can see this. Okay, so for today, you can see lost money trading the indexes. Okay. And then made a little bit on the spiders, lost on the Qs. A little bit of a NASDAQ futures trade there. But really, the key movers here were stocks that were doing their own thing. Netflix, Zoom, and Amazon. And we closed those out, all right, and just booked the gains. And so one of the questions I keep getting is, how do you trade in this market? And as you can see right now, my account, I mean, this is a big account I trade, but don't get caught up in the dollars. Think about the percent. So today, I was up, my math's bad, but 4.5%, something like that. And that's my P&L year to date. So this kind of market, I mean, I've seen this before. Like I traded in 2000, I traded in 2008. I love these kind of markets. And so if this kind of market is new to you, let me show you a couple things here. All right, so if you aren't aware, we have a trading room, and in the trading room, it's myself, but there's a group of us, 3, 6, 9, 11, and 12, and we're rotating throughout the day. We have a continuous webinar going on as the markets are open, and we're posting our trades. And we're not only posting our, it's time stamped, we're posting them, but they also go out as push notifications on your phone. So you don't necessarily have to be in the room or for your computer. You can also look at it from your iPhone or Android and stuff like that too. So if you're unaware of this, this is the kind of market where, I mean, you can thrive and do well, but the main thing is just you don't want to get run over, right? We've been doing this a long time. We've seen this movie before. We know how it ends, okay, in terms of risk control, in terms of what to look for, in terms of reversals, in terms of, what kind of trades to do. I'll show you one of my favorite trades right now. And so there's two accounts I trade. One is the bigger account you just saw, but I also trade a smaller account, like it's like a $10,000 account for people that have smaller accounts. My favorite trade right now is this one right here, the June $100 puts on the euro, which is FXE. That's an ETF. I'm looking for this. We bought it for $1.75. I'm expecting to be able to sell that for $4 to $5 by the time this is over. And the reason for that is there's a shortage of dollars, and this is like one of the cleanest swing trades that are out there. But in addition, like on Amazon, while of course I can buy calls and buy stock in my big account, on the small account here, we just sold a put spread, the 1800 1795 for 250, 3 contracts, good for $700. All right, so small account, large account, there's strategies for everyone. All right, so we are having a limited window where you can sign up for our services and get a little bit of extra stuff here. So again, if you go to simplertrading.com/alert, our room here, it's $197 a month, $547 a quarter, or you can go annually at $1,970. For the monthly service, you get access to the the live trading room. You get the instant mobile alerts if you can't be in front of your computer. Every night we do a recap, and of course there's a group of us, 12 of us, so we've got, you can kind of see who kind of meshes the most with your own strategy. And what's nice about this, though, too, is that it is a private community, meaning, it's not, like if you post on Twitter, or Facebook, and there's just all this horrific commentary and stuff like that. We don't have that because, first of all, typically if people are paying, they're interested in learning. It's not just like a free anybody can come in. And then secondly, we can kind of mute people that are being mean to people. You can be mean to me, that's fine, but it's a safe place for traders. We're not talking about politics or anything like that. We are focused on trying to make money. If you want to do quarterly, you can also get access to a trading psychology and money management course thrown in. And if you want to do annual, I'm going to be doing a live market internals class on how to trade this environment. And so you can take advantage of that. I'll be doing that class in about next week, so when this counts down. So anyway, if you aren't aware of this, give it a try. Again, we've been doing this. I've been trading for over like 30 years now, so this is not new, what we're seeing here. And the goal with this is to make money. It's not to be right, it's to make money, okay? Hope it helps. You guys have a good one. See you at the next update.